Gold once again went below 1620 levels, failing to sustain. Sure, a good rise. We have profited both sides. In the morning analysis, I told you to sell at 1630. In the evening analysis, I asked you to buy at 1620. Both ways we have profited. Likewise, silver also. We have it went below 1900 and shown a good recovery. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and please stick to the levels so that you can get the maximum benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. You can find it has seen a series of red candles, then a reversal, consolidation, and this time it has given a breakout. But see, the movement here and the movement here is almost diminished. The bullishness has diminished here. Also, this is giving you lower highs. So one thing is very clear, one can buy gold if you see it trading above 1640 levels. Else this is going to be the highs from which it can reverse again and come back to 1630. Now also remember 1630 has become a very strong support. Yesterday also I told you 1630 is a very important support. Below 1630 you can again expect that there is a little possibility for it to come back till towards 1625, 1620 levels. So these two levels we have to be careful of. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking upwards, trying to enter into overbought levels, and the MACD is divergent and bullish here. RSI trading comfortable. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour chart it has created the peak, the support here at 1630. With that as support it has shown a breakout. Also remember this could be potentially the highs of this channel and hence you have to be cautious here at 1635 levels. Rather, as I said, we have seen on the hourly charts also a buy entry is above 1640, beyond which you can expect that we might see gold again coming back till towards 1650 levels. So be careful of 1640. At the same time, on the downside 1630 is a very good entry for you to go short, but rather you can keep a dollar cushion and sell at 1629, then you can expect 1625 and below levels. Directional movement bullish here. Stochastic overbought, hence probability of a downwards move exists, but the MACD has crossed over. This is divergent. This is second green candle. Now when I say second green candle, max probability if it trades consistently it can try to increase and show you bullishness. RSI comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. On the 3-hour charts, likewise it has given a breakout, first green candle. I'll wait for the next candle. Probably that could be further bullish. It may try to take it further highs till towards 1640, which is a good resistance. Beyond 60, my favorite numbers, 1645 is the target, then 1650. These three numbers, 1640, 45, 50 are crucial resistance level on the upside. On the downside 1630 is a very good support. Trading below 1630, yes, you can sell again. All same, directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking to enter into overbought levels. The MACD trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards. And on the 4-hour charts, likewise, if you see coming out of the consolidation, first green candle, probability exists that we may see a follow-up green candle which might take it further high still towards 1640, 45 and 50. So till the time it trades above 1630, you can remain long on gold. Crossing over bullish here on the directional movement. Stochastic looking to enter overbought. MACD trying to converge. RSI looking bullish here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, now first let's understand what does the previous candle said. See, first thing is it broke out from the resistance level, traded below. Now how far it went? It achieved triple bottom here. This is the triple bottom levels. We have seen third time it breaching 1620 levels and failing to sustain. And then it got a push on the upside. So previous candle was precisely a bearish candle with a indecision intact, that buyers are still very much there for and pushing the prices up for gold. And that is the reason here after opening flat it is trying to achieve highs. Now one probability that it achieves 1640 level as the high, 1640-42 levels as the high, and or a lower highs from here. Probably it achieves lower high at around 1640 or 1638, and then from there probably it can try to retrace again on the downside, giving you similar size of candle. Now previous to previous candle the body size was almost of $10, and yes, if you count from here $10 to $12, yes, it can try to achieve further lows, taking it till towards 1615 levels. So yes, there could be a potential swing which can be seen. You have to be cautious of 1640 levels, and from there we'll see how it behaves. Probability of it achieving 1640 exists. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is trading at the bottom. The MACD is bearish still. It has just crossed over again, and the RSI is flat. Considering this, first thing is only buy entry is above 1640. Rather, I will say keep a dollar or two cushion and let it stabilize at around 1640. Then only you should take an entry. Beyond that, 1645 is the major resistance, and after that 1650 levels will be seen. If it breaks 1645, certainly you can confirm that there is little bullishness left. You may see a rise till 1650, 55 levels and 60 levels. On the downside, once it draws below 1629, you can sell there for 1625, 1621 and then 1615 levels. Yes, at the same time achieving the highs at 1640, 45, 40, 41, you can and try to enter a sell entry there also. Possibly you may get $10 to $20 of move from there. So this is all for gold for the day. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss always. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch starting 7th of November and reach out to me for more details on same. Else you have to wait for one more month. Else just become a part of my VIP signals group where you can trade as per the signals and definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are the ones which are there in the channel and video description. Just read the video description downside and you will find the details of how to contact me. Now look at silver. After two bullish candles, it has erased the losses which it has incurred since multiple candles, and also now it is also showing you higher lows and modestly higher highs. So one thing, a breakout above 1960, good indication for you to buy for 1970, 1980 levels. A breakdown below 1930, good level for you to enter 1930, 1920 levels. Below 1920, again the same levels will come, 1900 or 1880 levels, very strong support. Directional movement, divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bullish and green. RSI looking downwards. Look at the 2-hour charts. After a bit of consolidation here, it has given a first green candle. A probability of a second green candle exists where you can buy at 1960 levels. Expect 1970, 1980 levels to be the maximum resistance zone. Beyond 1980, again it will fly high. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought here. This gives us a little bit of caution, but at the same time the MACD is divergent and bullish, but this also indicates that it has achieved a high. If you combine these two indicators, stochastic and MACD, it achieves, probably it appears that it may try to consolidate a little. RSI looking downwards. Now on the 3-hour charts also, after a big bullish candle, couple of consolidation candles, this is a breakout here. And this also suggests us that yes, if you see it trading beyond 1960, you can buy there for 1970, 1980 and $20 or 2000 levels. Directional movement, directional bullish here. Stochastic is extremely overbought here. The MACD has just crossed over first green candle. I'll wait for it to sustain for the next green candle. RSI modestly bullish here. At the same time, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Bullish, overbought, on the verge of a crossover here. I'll wait for it. RSI looking upwards. So on silver, most indications are bullish, but let's be cautious here. Now look at the daily charts, how silver has behaved in the last candle. First thing is, see, higher highs, second is lower lows. Now if you count from 1880 to 2000 levels, it is almost $1.2 of move, and the pivot is at 60 pence. And yes, if you now this is why 1940-1960 zone is crucial, and hence any move above 1960 will be a good indication, good bullish indication for expecting a rise. You can remain long above 1960. At the same time, below 1940, that should be a good indication for a bearish move, expecting it to drop till towards 1930, 1920, and below that further bearishness to be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Sell at 1920, sell at 1940, expect 1930, 1920, 1910, $19 and 1880. On the upside, see why I am giving these many milestones, so that you can close some of your profits, book some of your profits, re-enter again if you see it trading in the same direction. That is what you have to adopt at every milestone. On the upside, beyond 1960, 1970, 1980, 1990, $20. Beyond $20, you will see it at 20, 10, 20, 20. Every 10 pence, it has a resistance. You have to ensure that you book profits at some, you re-enter some of your profits, or you can close. If you see it reversing, you can close complete and take the opposite side trade. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Reach out to me for trading or training related queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.